What's up, everybody? Today we have a package. I don't know what it is. I've been ordering tools like crazy. It says lithium batteries in it. I don't know what this could be. I thought it was something from Home Depot, but Home Depot boxes are pretty obvious and they don't have all this labeling on them, even though they have batteries in them, which is quite interesting. So, oh man, look, check this out. So look, let me tell you something. Look at that. Let me tell you something, okay? I'm gonna have to pull up the email so you guys can see. So my Ryobi battery that came with my Attach It system just stopped working. I got that red-green Christmas light of death. And then when I would try to test this, it would just flash. Now, a lot of people say, oh, it happens because it becomes completely depleted. You didn't charge it, but that's not the case. After I use my batteries, I use them for doing lawn work. They're never drained completely. And once they cool off, I charge them. I charge them up so I'm ready for the next mowing, right? And I went to go put it in and it just did not work. So I called them about it. That was back in like September or August. The battery was only a year old. I called them about it a few days ago. Just a few days ago. And it was super quick. You got to have a tool. You got to have the charger. You got to have the battery, obviously, with you. The lady just told me, she was like, put it on the charger. All right, tell me what it's doing. I was like, so I told her what it was doing. It only took like 2 minutes. She was like, okay, cool. What's the address? I'm going to send you another one. I was like, oh, okay. I'm thinking I'm going to get this one wrapped up in a brown box because it's going to be generic and refurbished. But nope, this is a brand new boy. They sent me a brand new battery. And she was just like, recycle the other one, which I'm going to just drop off at Home Depot because I don't need that sitting around or getting confused. But I'll say this looks like a newer battery, though. This is like different technology. My old one didn't look like this. Let's go check that old one out. So yeah, it's just the designs are a little different. This is my 6 amp hour battery. This one's fine. See, when I press this button, that is all good. That's fully charged. But this is the new one, and yeah, they have a different design. So kind of cool that came so fast. And look, I live in the middle of nowhere now. So if you live in a major city, you probably have this thing, and the next day or two, it's literally been. It's like I called them 3 days ago. So. Ryobi, that's upside down. Ryobi, you did a good job. Now, I have no qualms with your lawn equipment, even though, again, that battery did go out quick, but you guys made it right. But my question is, what happens after 3 years? Because that was 1 year of light use. I'm still a little scared. But at least they take care of their customers, though, when you are under warranty. I appreciate that. So that is this video. I'm glad I recorded that. Wow. You saw a genuine reaction. I had no idea what was in that box. Anyway, see you guys next time.